Today's video, going to be replacing the shock on the Chevy Colorado. The top nut, 17 millimeter. You can use an adjustable or 6 millimeter. $18 millimeters for the bottom. And here you go. Here's your old one. Right here you can compare the old and new one. Make sure that they're the same length. They're all set up correctly. Now let's go ahead and put on a new one. New washer, new bushing. You're going to want this smaller hole. That goes through the bracket. You want that on top on the bottom one. You want this small nub on the bottom. And right there, this is where it goes through the bracket. To prevent the lower bushing from wearing prematurely, we're going to go ahead and tie in the bolt down with the suspension under load. What I read online was the torque is 52 foot-pounds for the bottom. $14 millimeter for the new nut. And these I tightened down to where the bushing meets the outside of the washer. And there you go. Your new shock is installed. And that's how you replace the shocks on these Chevy Colorados. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.